It is January the 3rd, 2025. Happy New Year. And looking at these greens that I started back on November 24th, and I was going to give it another week before I up-potted them, but I'm actually going to up-pot them tomorrow into the 5-gallon grow bags because they want to spread out, and they're getting a little beat up. I don't know if my cat's doing it. No, she looks too innocent. I don't think she did it. Nope, he didn't do it because he can't get up there. Nope, he didn't do it. Okay. And Muffy, the other Frenchie, I know she didn't do it, so we will just up-pot them tomorrow. Okay, it's Monday, January 13th, and we've already up-potted all of the greens that were in the house. So as you can see, they're liking their new home. The Collards, the Bok Choy. This is Swiss chard here. Board hook. And mustard greens. 5 varieties of basil. I've got dill. I've got 4 varieties of sunflowers. A painted daisy, those are pretty. Echinacea purpurea. Nasturtiums, Canterbury bells, and yarrow. Can't say Happy New Year anymore, but we're just gonna take it one day at a time. What do you think? Bye.